What's going on, guys? Thank you for checking out another video. Pretty exciting one today. We are installing two mods. One of them that I probably don't know why I waited so long, but it literally changes the whole look of the Mustang. And a carbon fiber part that's pretty much tying like the whole car to pretty much be fully carbon, I guess you could say. There's front bumpers and then the roof, but I do have to cut the roof, so it's kind of like a process. And I think the roof's like $2,500 for that roof. So, don't think that's really, I don't really think that's necessary at this moment. That's probably like one of the last mods. That with the front bumper, but I heard sketchy things about the manufacturer that makes the front bumper. I think it's like literally only one company. And I've heard bad things about they'll like take your money and not even send you the part. So that's why I was a little iffy about that. But I do want to get I do want to get a front bumper, and I would love to make rear bumpers carbon fiber. So we'll handle all that down the road, but today we are installing a carbon fiber trunk, and we are installing finally the damn Euro lights, the clear tail lights that I feel like changes the whole look of the car, any car honestly. I feel like it makes such a big difference, and I feel like this red on the Mustang with all like black and brown throws off the whole look. I feel like that alone makes the car look like shit. So super excited for that. Probably a mod that I've wanted for so long, which I really don't know why I never bought it, honestly. But so let's get to it. Pretty simple installs, honestly, for the trunk and the bumper, or pretty simple installs for the trunk and the tail lights. It's literally probably 4 bolts. It's 4 bolts for the trunk and then like 3 bolts for the tail lights. So pretty simple install. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think with the before and after the tail lights. But let's get to it. And this is what we're gonna be installing, the Euro lights and the carbon trunk. Just seeing it even on the floor, I feel like it's gonna make such a big difference without the red. So super pumped to fucking have these mods and to finally get rid of that trashy ass trunk I had that I bought. Fuck, I don't even know why I bought that, honestly. It was like maybe $100 and I don't think I had a trunk. So I think that's why I bought it. It's been so long ago, but super hyped to have these 2 mods, and it's gonna make such a difference on this car. So okay, got that bolted in, literally 2 bolts right there, 2 bolts on that side. Put your original lock on there. That carbon on carbon finally. I don't want to close it yet because it's gonna lock and I gotta do the tail lights, but that's gonna look so sick. Matching finally. Alrighty, so let's tackle the tail lights. 2 nuts on this side and then 1 on the back. So another quick, easy install. Look how much better that looks. Literally, like, perfect example you can see. But god damn, that shit literally changes, like, just block that out. It just goes with the whole vibe, honestly. It makes the car look so much better. I'm so pumped on this mod, honestly, even though it's such a tiny little thing, and it changes like the whole look of the car. And good thing I had other bolts from, I don't know, another project I did where I had spare bolts, factory nuts, but they weren't fitting on the new ones. So good thing I did have a bag of like hardware and stuff so I can bolt those in, because it seemed pretty smaller nuts. All together. God damn. That shit looks so good. Literally makes such a big difference, like a huge difference. But those taillights, honestly, I don't know why I waited so long to get these damn taillights, but it literally makes such a huge difference. I feel like it just ties the whole car together now. Not just imagine a big APR wing, or I might make like a GTD style one if somebody makes that. But damn, that looks so much better. And I might chrome these TEs, honestly. I feel like that would make the car pop a little more. But anyways, that's for another video. I hope you guys like how this looks. At least in my eyes, it looks like 20 times better instead of those raggedy ass red tail lights. Damn. I'm extremely happy with the turnout, how it looks. It's honestly, I don't know why I waited so long to get the tail lights, but it makes a huge ass difference. So if you're honestly second guessing getting these, please get them. Honestly, if you have dark color cars or even white cars, I've seen them, it looks like so much better. Honestly, I feel like the red taillights just look like ass in general, so any color probably looks good with the clear Euro tail lights. But damn, I am extremely happy with how this came out. It just ties the whole car, I feel like, together. It literally makes such a big difference, especially at this angle with the carbon on carbon. For this video, hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys like the little updates, even if it's a shorter video. There wasn't much to do. It's a pretty simple install, so I'll see you guys in the next one.